On the hunt for foods that harm your liver, heart, and gut? Think pizza, burgers, fried foods, junk snacks, sugary sodas, and canned goods. We often consume these without realizing their slow, dangerous effects. Watch out for these culprits and protect your health. 1. Canned tomato sauce. Canned tomato products, a staple in many dishes, may seem harmless but harbor hidden dangers. They often contain high fructose corn syrup and preservatives, contributing to health issues like obesity, tooth decay, and digestive problems. Opt for fresh tomatoes and herbs for a healthier alternative. 2. Soda drink. Recent findings reveal that over 60% of Americans regularly indulge in sugary drinks, including sodas, whether with meals or independently. Despite claims, diet soda isn't a healthier alternative. These beverages are laden with sugar, acid, artificial colorings, and preservatives, devoid of nutritional benefits. They contribute to health issues like liver and heart diseases, skin disorders, obesity, tooth decay, and elevated blood sugar. Opt for fresh fruit juices or lemon drinks instead. 3. Artificial sweeteners. Though the FDA has announced artificial safe human products, some artificial sweeteners like saccharin, neotame, and sucralose haven't proved best as an alternative to refined sugar. Consuming artificial sweeteners can cause type 2 diabetes, obesity, tooth cavities, increased blood pressure, and cardiac disorders. You can use natural sweeteners like honey, jaggery, or maple syrup. 4. Margarine. Margarine can be the best one for your sandwich or burger. Still, you must know this highly processed ingredient contains many preservatives with zero nutrition or other benefits, and it can slowly harm your health and affect the heart. 5. Whole dairy. Whole dairy products are also used in a high amount without knowing the side effects. Whole dairy products are rich in saturated fats. They have other synthetic components that are responsible for various ailments. 6. Hot dogs. Who will deny a sizzling hot dog with mustard sauce? Well, when you know the effects, you will indeed say no. Hot dogs are loaded with preservatives, toxins, sodium, and serum phosphate that are highly responsible for kidney disease, heart disease, and hormonal imbalance. 7. Most fruit juices. While whole fruit juices are often touted as healthy, they're also packed with sugar. Some brands even add corn syrup, an artificial sweetener. Despite claims of nutritional value, regular consumption can harm your health. Opt for freshly squeezed juice without added sugar to minimize intake. 8. Refined white carbohydrates. Eating white bread, crackers, pasta, rice, and cereals are counted in white carbohydrates, and they contain many calories and quickly break down in sugar. You can easily become fat and feel a lack of energy after eating such foods, and even causes digestive disorders too. You can eat whole grain foods instead of refined products and consume brown rice than white rice. 9. French fries and potato chips. Munching on French fries and potato chips might satisfy cravings but can lead to serious health issues like cancer, obesity, and heart problems. Swap them out for homemade baked vegetables for a healthier snack alternative. 10. Pastries, cookies, and cake. Now, you will be going crazy after hearing that because everybody of every age group loves sweet yummy delight, and every party and function can't be completed without a cake. We all know that refined flour, so much sugar, butter, or vegetable oil, has been used for preparing any pastry, cake, or cookie, and these all can be harmful to our health with no nutritional value.